Well, get this, a Florida woman trying to back out of the online purchase of a foreclosed home, claiming her diet pills made her do it. The woman was taking the prescription drug fentanyl when she actually won the bid for the house for just over $100,000. She then later found out the previous owner had $400,000 in liens that she had to pay off. So will her excuse stand up in court? The diet pills made me do it, she says, here for a fair and balanced debate. Attorney Elliot Feelig and former prosecutor David Schwartz, thanks for being here. So, did the diet pills make her do it, David?
Well, the diet pills caused a lack of capacity. So if the diet pills affect her capacity to make a judgment on this, and who in their right mind would ever pay $500,000? That's $100,000 plus the $400,000 lien on a house that's worth $276,000. It makes no sense. There was a lack of capacity, and I blame the website also.
Oh, so you're putting some of the culpability on
Absolutely.
Elliot, you say?
A+ for creativity. I'll give her that. But seriously, diet pills? What's next? The donuts made me do it? A deal is a deal. A contract is a contract. You can't get out of a contract except for some specifically delineated, recognized reasons, like if it was the result of fraud or duress or coercion. Diet pills, not buying it.
Well, so this is what the website says for the diet pills. It says the fentanyl cause less common side effects called blurred vision, dizziness, confusion, fatigue, irregular heartbeat, stomach pain, nausea, feelings of depression. Would any of those qualify as a reason to say I was not of right mind when I went and purchased this home online and went through all the steps to make this happen?
Absolutely. So if this case ever went to trial, there would be an expert that could come in and explain the effects of the diet pills and tell the jury or the judge that the plaintiff lacked the capacity to make this deal. And Elliot's correct. It is a contract, but there are some exceptions. And I would combine misrepresentation on the part of the website by not disclosing this $400,000 lien to a customer, and also lack of capacity to combine those two to break the contract.
Can you use both, though? I mean, can you really say that they didn't disclose this yet? I was out of my mind, and that's why I went for this.
Oh, it's a joint defense. You could use both theories to break the contract.
The website, the realauction.com, said the sale would require her to make an account routing number, which had been difficult for someone to do if indeed they weren't of right mind.
She had the wherewithal to put in all of her information. She had the wherewithal to put $120,000 in an escrow account. There are prominent disclaimers all over the website. She could have hired a title company like most of us do when we buy a home. She chose not to. This is plain and simple buyer's remorse, nothing more.
Has this been used before, to your recollection, where someone said my diet pills or another type of medicine altered my mind and I bought a home?
I don't know if diet pills specifically, but certainly intoxication has been used successfully, and other drugs have been used successfully. And this is what the mortgage crisis is all about, Elizabeth.
Yeah.
$276,000 house for $500,000.
Well, I'd never heard this on the diet pills made me do it before. David and Elliot, thanks for joining us on this great debate. Let us know what you think about it as well. Now, coming up in the months after the shooting death of